Hello everyone. One of my friends called me to check on how the product management session went on the weekend. During the conversation, his main focus is on how many participants registered for the session and how many participants actually turned up for the session. I told him clearly that I was mainly focused on what's the effectiveness I was able to bring to the participants who took part in the hands-on activity. And that's the feedback I captured, and the received score was 4.2 out of 5. I clearly mentioned him, hey, this is what we as a product managers or we as a focus should be on to track the effectiveness of the products or solutions which you are implementing. Many times this is what happens with our teams as well during the implementation, where we focus on the vanity metrics which could be helpful for planning the internal reference, whereas that might not be giving actual benefit to our end users, customers, once the product is deployed and released to the market. We generally tag them as output-based metrics. Anytime the focus of us should be on the outcome-based metrics, on how the actual benefit, value, effectiveness, the customers and user stakeholders will receive once it is released, once it is deployed, once the hands-on of the actual customer started making use of it. That is what we should be focused on. We generally call them as outcome-based metrics. We can track the outcome-based metrics in many different forms. In the form of key performance indicators, net promoter scores, customer satisfaction, or based upon your respective business, domain, sector, industry, you can focus on how you can capture the actual outcome-based metrics from your respective end users. So what's your focus, whether it is outcome-based metrics or output-based metrics? Remember, end of the day, measure what matters. Thank you.